there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found the best dog bowl, and I wanted to share it with you. So this dog bowl set is from Honored Wood, and there's a lot that I love about this. First of all, I love the way that it looks. I love this little mat that comes with it, and the bowls come out so you can wash them and put them back in. It's lightweight, but it's very durable. My husband put it together in a matter of minutes. I love this little paw print. That's so cute. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to just take the dog bowls in and out. You can wash them, throw them in the dishwasher, and clean up the mess, and it goes back together very easily. This dog bowl holder is adjustable depending on the size of your dog. It's got 3 different settings there. I have a medium-sized dog, so I put it on the middle one. Also, I love this little rubber mat that comes with it. Not only is it very durable, it's very light, but it has this adorable little paw on it that just makes me very, very happy. And then in a matter of moments, you've got it all set out and put back together, and your pooch is ready to dine. You can see it's just the right size for her. She loves it, and we use it every day. So overall, this dog bowl has gone beyond my expectations. I'm so happy to have it. My pooch loves it, and I think you'll love it too. That's my point of view.